Welcome to Orage Technologies. Today, we will discuss how to use YouTube ads to promote your business. Before knowing the secret tips for YouTube ads, we will understand what are YouTube ads. YouTube ads are a type of online advertising that appears on YouTube videos. They can be used to promote a variety of products and services, and they can be targeted to specific audiences. There are many reasons why you might want to use YouTube ads to promote your business. Here are a few of the benefits. Reach a large audience. YouTube has over 2 billion active users, so your ads have the potential to reach a large audience. Target your audience. You can target your YouTube ads to specific demographics, interests, and even keywords. This means that your ads will only be seen by people who are likely to be interested in what you have to offer. Track your results. YouTube ads are trackable, so you can see how well your campaigns are performing. This information can help you optimize your campaigns and get the most out of your investment. Here are a few tips for creating successful YouTube ads. Keep your ads short and to the point. People are more likely to watch a short ad than a long one. Use high-quality video and audio. Your ad should look and sound professional. Make sure your ad is relevant to your target audience. Your ad should be something that people who are interested in your product or service would want to watch. Test different ad formats and targeting options. See what works best for your business. Track the results of your ad campaign. This will help you optimize your campaigns and get the most out of your investment. By following these tips, you can create and run successful YouTube ads that will help you reach your target audience and achieve your marketing goals. If you want to make your advertisement journey easier, contact Orage Technologies, a leading digital marketing agency. Thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, subscribe and follow us on all the social media platforms.